planet Earth, our home, our cradle of life. We often take for granted this blue sphere hurtling through space. But Earth is not invincible. It faces threats both from the vast cosmos and from within. Understanding these threats is not about succumbing to fear. It's about appreciating our planet's delicate balance. It's about recognizing our role in its future. The greatest threat to Earth's future might not be cosmic. It might be us. Human activities are altering the planet at an unprecedented rate. We can strive to protect our planet, not just for ourselves, but for all life that shares this cosmic oasis. Space is vast and seemingly empty, but it's also littered with debris left over from the formation of our solar system. Asteroids, rocky remnants from this early era, pose a real threat to Earth. These celestial wanderers range in size from meters to kilometers across. An asteroid impact is a dramatic event. A massive object slams into Earth at high speed. The impact releases a tremendous amount of energy. This can trigger earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires. The dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere can block sunlight, leading to global cooling. The dinosaurs, along with many other species, were wiped out by an asteroid impact 66 million years ago. While such catastrophic events are rare, they are a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability in the face of cosmic hazards. Fortunately, scientists are actively searching for and tracking potentially hazardous asteroids. Early detection and deflection strategies are being developed. These efforts aim to mitigate the risk posed by these celestial interlopers. Our goal is to ensure that Earth doesn't suffer the same fate as the dinosaurs. Volcanoes are a powerful force of nature. They release molten rock, ash, and gases. Supervolcanoes can cause global devastation. They are massive underground magma reservoirs. When they erupt, they unleash cataclysmic events. Thousands of cubic kilometers of ash and gas are ejected. One such supervolcano lies beneath Yellowstone. The last eruption was in Indonesia 74,000 years ago. Monitoring these giants is crucial. The Sun, our life-giving star, is not eternal. It is a giant ball of hot gas, powered by nuclear fusion in its core. As the Sun ages, it will undergo a series of transformations that will have profound consequences for Earth. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will exhaust the hydrogen fuel in its core. It will begin to expand, becoming a red giant star. Its outer layers will engulf the inner planets, including Earth. This will mark the end of our planet as a habitable world. Even before its final expansion, the Sun's increasing luminosity will make Earth uninhabitable. The oceans will boil away, the surface will become too hot to support life. Our planet will transform into a barren, scorched wasteland. While this event is billions of years in the future, it is a reminder that our existence on Earth is finite. It highlights the importance of exploring other planets and solar systems. Finding a new home for humanity may one day become a necessity for our species' survival. Section 5. The human factor, climate change and its consequences. While cosmic threats are real, the most pressing danger to Earth's future might be us. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, are releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, causing Earth's average temperature to rise. This warming, known as climate change, is already having observable effects. Glaciers are melting at an alarming rate. Sea levels are rising, threatening coastal communities. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense. The consequences of unchecked climate change are dire. Widespread crop failures, mass extinctions, and societal unrest are just some of the potential outcomes. The delicate balance of Earth's ecosystems is being disrupted at an unprecedented rate. However, there is still time to act. By transitioning to cleaner energy sources, reducing our carbon footprint, and adapting to the changes already underway, we can mitigate the worst effects of climate change. The future of our planet depends on our collective action and our willingness to address this global challenge. Section 6. Nuclear Nemesis, a self-inflicted apocalypse. The atomic age dawned with a promise and a peril. Nuclear technology holds immense power, both for good and for destruction. The development of nuclear weapons introduced a new existential threat to humanity: self-annihilation. A full-scale nuclear war would be a global catastrophe. The initial blast would vaporize cities and incinerate millions. But the true horror would lie in the aftermath. Radioactive fallout would contaminate the air, water, and soil, rendering vast areas uninhabitable. The resulting nuclear winter caused by the massive injection of soot and dust into the atmosphere would block sunlight and plunge the planet into a prolonged period of darkness and cold. Global agriculture would collapse, leading to widespread famine. The delicate fabric of civilization would unravel. While the threat of nuclear war has diminished since the height of the Cold War, the danger remains. The proliferation of nuclear weapons and the potential for accidental or intentional use are constant reminders of this ever-present threat. Ensuring peace and diplomacy is not just a political ideal, it's essential for the survival of our species. Section 7. Environmental degradation poisoning our planet. Our planet provides us with everything we need to survive: air, water, food and resources, yet we are systematically degrading the very environment that sustains us. Pollution, deforestation and habitat destructions are pushing Earth's ecosystems to the brink. Air pollution caused by industrial emissions and vehicle exhaust chokes our cities and damages human health. Water pollution from industrial waste and agricultural runoff contaminates rivers, lakes and oceans, poisoning aquatic life and threatening our drinking water supplies. Deforestation, driven by the demand for timber and agricultural land, removes vital carbon sinks and disrupts delicate ecosystems. Habitat destruction through urbanization and resource extraction is driving countless species toward extinction. These environmental problems are interconnected and pose a significant threat to the long-term habitability of our planet. Addressing these issues requires a fundamental shift in our relationship with the natural world. We must learn to live within our planetary boundaries, consuming less, wasting less, and valuing the health of the environment above short-term profits. Section 8. Extraterrestrial threats, fact or fiction. The vastness of space, with its billions of galaxies and countless stars, has always sparked our imagination. Along with wonder, it has also inspired a sense of awe and at times fear. The possibility of extraterrestrial life, particularly intelligent life, raises profound questions about our place in the cosmos. While there is no scientific evidence to suggest that aliens have visited Earth or pose a threat, the idea has captured the public imagination for decades. Science fiction literature and films have explored countless scenarios, from benevolent alien encounters to hostile invasions. The possibility of extraterrestrial life, whether friendly or hostile, remains a topic of scientific inquiry. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, continues to scan the cosmos for signs of alien civilizations. While we have yet to find definitive proof, the vastness of the universe suggests that we are not alone. Whether extraterrestrial life poses a threat to Earth is purely speculative. However, the possibility, however remote, serves as a reminder of our cosmic insignificance and the need to protect our planet, the only home we know. Section 9. The black hole enigma, a distant but real threat. Black holes, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape, are among the most fascinating objects in the universe. They form when massive stars collapse at the end of their life cycles. They can also exist at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These supermassive black holes can have masses millions or even billions of times greater than our Sun. If a rogue black hole were to pass too close to our solar system, it could have catastrophic consequences. Fortunately, such events are incredibly rare. Section 10. Conclusion. The future of Earth, our responsibility. The Earth, our cosmic oasis, faces a myriad of threats, from cosmic collisions to environmental degradation. Understanding these threats is not about succumbing to fear, but about embracing knowledge and responsibility. We are not passive passengers on this planet. We are active participants in shaping its future. While we cannot control the cosmic events that may unfold, we can influence the human factors that threaten Earth's habitability. By addressing climate change, reducing our environmental impact, and fostering peace and cooperation, we can create a more sustainable and just future for all. The fate of Earth lies in our hands. Let us choose wisely. Let us act decisively. Let us ensure that our planet remains a vibrant and life-sustaining world for generations to come.